Alright, we are on tune 10, but he sent me tune 11. He said he forgot to do some changes to 10, so you use 11 instead. He adjusted the cam angles, ignition timing on both high and low cams, and he just wants me to do a pull, send it back. So let's go ahead and download this and save this tune 11. Let's go ahead and plug in our Flash Pro. Open up our Honda. Let's go ahead and open up, oh gosh, fat people have problems with touchscreens, I swear. Open up tune 11. Let's go into the Flash Pro. All my data logs are clear. Let's go to calibrations and let's go to upload. And then we'll go ahead and put that map or the tune into the car. We'll do 30-gear pull from 2.5 all the way to redline, and we'll send that to him. Oh, just in the nick of time. It just died. Alright, and we'll go ahead and load up the calibration for tune 11. There it goes. Just doing its thing. Alright, it's just about done. Sweet. Let's go ahead and do some data logging. Alright, there we are, 2500. Data log is on. Let's go. Doing some data logging, and I came to a pop-up real quick, and there's only FRSs here. I'm the only SI.
Halloween photos, pumpkin fest photos, birthday photos.
What's up, fellas? How's it going? My name's George.
John. Oh, you drive the fast K24, huh?
No, the slow one?
I don't know.
I have a YouTube channel, 559 Powerscape. Mine's the SI, the 06. It's just a Z3. It's not the K24. It's I'm getting tuned. I don't know if you guys know Josh Tunes.
I don't know Josh.
No, from Texas.
So. Oh no.
Well.
So we get tuned like that.
Yeah. Well, that's right.
Yeah.
I'm Honda. Well, this is the only ones that popped up so far, huh?
I guess so.
That's what's up. It's still early, man. Well, I'm just coming from Walmart doing some daddy duties.
Might as well just stop by.
Yeah, just stopping by, make a little recording because I'm doing data logging.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm just stopping by. This is nice, man. This is fucking clean. Both of these, they're hella badass. This is better. Which one's faster though?
This one.
This one? Oh, that's what's up.
50 pounds boost.
Wow.
Get the fuck out of here.
You're gonna fucking send it to the moon with that one.
The Milky Way. She's just gonna come back.
That shit's funny. Well, alright, man. You guys could probably catch this on my channel, 559 Powerscape, or on Instagram.
Same thing?
Yeah, same thing.
I'll leave you follow in a second.
For sure, man. Thank you guys. You guys have a good night. Be safe. This nigga with the mask trying to get away from me. It's alright. Let's go. There's nobody here. Alright, here we go. Back to data logging. Here we go. We're set. 3rd gear. Alright, so here I am back home. I'm going to go ahead and connect the Flash Pro. Perfect. And we're going to get the data logs. There they are. And we're going to send these, or actually save them first. You just wanted 30 gear pulls. Alright, so there, I organized my folders. We're on the 11 tune. So we're going to name this one 01 third pull 1 and save. And the other one 02 third pull 2, enter, and then 03 third pull and 3, enter. So I'll go ahead and send those to Josh and just wait for the next one. Sweet, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.